Welcome to MediCrab's PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this Prostho question. So this question was quite straightforward and they were asking regarding the total occlusal convergence. This question was asked in the year 2024. Question says that a patient required replacement of the interior teeth. What is the optimum taper degree for the preparation of these interior teeth? So they are asking degree of taper, or you can say TOC, which stands for total occlusal convergence. Options given were 4 degree, 6 degree, 10 degree, 8 degree.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now I have pasted one image. Okay, so this I've taken from the authentic source, and you can rely on these, you can say, touch taper degrees. So for anterior, for maxillary, first we'll see for anterior tooth mesiodistally, like if you will say example of central incisor. So mesiodistally, it will be like, cutting will be like this. Then coming on to next thing was faciolingual. FL stands for faciolingual. So again, faciolingual is also 10 degrees and overall taper should be 10 degrees. For premolars, it should be 14 degree, 14 degree, 14 degree. For molar, it should be 17, 21. That means you should give more convergence faciolingually in cases of maxillary molar, whereas total convergence is 19. Don't see this, just concentrate on these things. So mandibular anterior, again, for anterior, if at all anterior is mentioned, just mark the answer as 10 degree. For premolar, for mandibular premolar, you need to give more convergence, right? 16, 12, 14. For molars, again, more convergence, 24, 20, and overall is 22. So this is the table which is taken from the authentic source. This is exactly what we mean when we say total occlusal convergence or occlusal convergence. Now, what is the purpose of this? So first of all, it serves the purpose retention, stability. So whenever you are giving any processes to your patient, you are just concerned about all these things. Retention, stability, support, and aesthetics. Now, whenever you are giving 10 degrees for anterior, that is enough for them to hold the restoration. If you are giving 10 degree faciolingually, that will be enough for them to hold the veneer crowns or all those things. So it provides the adequate retention, stability, support, and it is very good for the aesthetic point, from the aesthetic point view as well. Now coming back to our question. So as discussed, the answer is 10 degrees. Thank you.